Hello, my students. How are you? I hope all of you are very well, inshallah. Now, open your workbook, page 43. On reading lesson European extreme sports. European extreme sports. Look at these two questions. First, according to the title, what do you think our lesson about? Second, what do you see in the pictures? Now, you have 2 minutes to think about these two questions. Please stop the video and think about these two questions. Thanks a lot. Let's go to the first question. According to the title, what do you think our lesson about? European extreme sports. Extreme, it means dangerous. So, I think this lesson talk about dangerous sports like climbing a mountain, kayaking, caving, skiing, etc. Second question. What do you see in the pictures? Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. What do you see? We see a lot of extreme sports like skiing, kayaking, climbing mountains. Now, these are the new vocabularies. We will face it on the following texts. Please write these vocabularies in your notebook and learn them by heart. Again, write them in your notebooks and learn them by heart. Rush, something moving quickly. Opportunity, a chance. Popular, common, or well known, also popular mean. Landscape, a large area of countryside. Wakeboarding, a sport which you are pulled along the surface of water by boat. Artificial, made by people. Again, I need from you to write these vocabularies in your notebook. These vocabularies will help you to understand or to identify the following texts. Now, please, my dear student, read the text carefully and let your notebook open to help you to put a note and to help you to identify the text by using the new vocabularies which you wrote them in your notebook. You have 5 minutes to read the text. Then answer the suggested question. Now stop the video to read the text. Stop the video, please. Please, my dear student, read the following question, then answer the questions from the previous text. Now, let us to read these questions. Please write these questions in your notebook. After that, find out the question from the previous text. Find out the answers, from the previous text. First, what are the reasons that make people do extreme sports? Second, what do European extreme sports offer? Third, what is the name of country where you can do water sports? Fourth, why was the first European artificial reef built? Fifth, the underlined pronouns it and they refer to. Sixth, find out from the text a compound noun, a regular plural noun, an adverb, an adjective. Please, you have 10 minutes to find out the answers from the previous text. Then write the question with its answer and in your notebook. Write each question with its answer in your text in your notebook. Please stop the video and start find out the answers. Thanks a lot. Please, my dear student, check your answers. First, what are the reasons that make people do extreme sports? The reason that make people to do extreme sports It's a great way to get a rush adrenaline to provide the opportunity to be outside and see the fantastic view. I will repeat the answers. It's a great way to get a rush adrenaline to provide the opportunity to be outside and see fantastic views. Second question. What do European extreme sport offer? European extreme sport offer the chance to explore the continent and see some of its beaches and mountains view. Again, what do European extreme sports offer? Extreme sports offer the chance to explore the continent and see some of its beaches and mountain view. Third, what's the name of the country where you can do water sport? The country is England. So, England is the name of the country where you can do water sports. Fourth question. Why was the first European artificial reef built? It was built to improve the surf in England. I will repeat the question. What was the first European artificial reef built? Why was the first European artificial reef built? It was built to improve the surf in England. The underlined pronoun it and they refer to. Now, if you go back to the text, you will find a line under it and they. It refers to England. They refers to extreme sport. I will repeat. It refers to England and they refers to extreme sport. Find out from the text. A compound noun. Compound noun, it means noun plus noun. Give me a new noun. Like snowboard, snow plus board. Give me a new noun which is snowboard. Landscape. Land plus escape. Give me a new word which is landscape. Irregular plural noun. Irregular plural noun, any plural that doesn't end with S. So we called irregular, like people. Adverb, perfectly, there, highly. An adjective, great, different, fantastic. Now, please, my students, check your answers and write the correct answers in your notebook. Thanks a lot for your listening. If you have any question about this text, please send it to me as soon as possible. Thanks a lot.